Happy Monday. So we're vlogging, obviously, and we are starting with cardio. Cardio has increased. This is my cardio outfit. So cute, I know, but nothing to say. We're on the treadmill, thank God. So let's get to it. Whew, okay, cardio is done. The first time we get to an hour cardio, it's always hard, but at least I'm not on the Stairmaster right now. I'm just on the treadmill. But I'm about to cook my pre-workout pancakes again. I've been having pancakes for like 2 months for my pre-workout. I like to make life easier for me, so I have already weighed out all of my pancake mix. Also, I need to meal prep. I have not meal prepped. Some chicken there, some spinach and asparagus, and then these are my protein yogurt bowls. But yeah, make life easy for you. Okay, I just wanted to show y'all meal number 2. This is what I bring with me to the gym. So this is after I lift, carbs, replenish, all the things, protein, yes. But this meal be hitting. I don't know if y'all like broccolini, but I love me some broccolini. It is on the pricier side for what you get, the amount you get, but it's so much better than broccoli. And that's just my chicken I pan grilled. I've been putting this on my chicken this season. Game changer. It's so good, as y'all can see. At the gym, we are working upper body today. First workout, chest press. And so far, that is all I have. But I just want to let y'all know what we are working on. I did my cardio already. Huh? You all become so cool. I love animals. This cute dog. Even though I'm a cat mom, I love animals. And this dog is so cute. He's so cute. Say hi. Happy Thursday, people. I just finished my cardio, as you can see. If I didn't mention it, we are at an hour now. So now, it's time to go lift. It's upper body day today, thank God. So yeah, I will check in with y'all when I get to the gym. We have made it to the gym. Why is there a streak? Okay. We made it to the gym. Outfit of the day. And feeling red. We on pull-ups.
Pull up again. You ready?
Friday, everyone. I just made it to my workout. I'm a little tired today because I had a late night from work, but we have coach. On Fridays, we work out outside. Unfortunately, I don't want to because it's hot. But yeah, again, I don't have nothing to say. We have a nice little posing mirror, but I'm about to warm up with what? Banded walks. I just wanted to show y'all how I'm preparing for my shift tomorrow. So Saturdays I usually work 12s, and instead of doing this in the morning, I'm doing it right now. So I'm cooking breakfast, have some rice. This is meal 3 and no, this is meal 4 and 5. This is for today actually, and this is meal 1. But yeah, don't mind my stove. I'm cooking, so obviously it's dirty, but there is always time to prepare. Or maybe it's because I ain't got nothing else to do. It's Friday. I'm in prep, so it's not like I'm going out. But yeah, just prepare yourself when you can. It don't take that long. Happy Sunday. So I am about to edit this vlog, but I got groceries being dropped off. Don't mind these clothes at all. But y'all know Sunday fun day consists of me getting my grocery curbside, whatever. Yeah, I'm sleepy. I'm doing my hair today. Thank you. Some cat food. That's crazy. It's like 5 bags back there for like almost $100. I am dressed out of the ordinary. I just went on a little date, so there's that. But I'm hella sleepy, and I still have to do my hair and all the things. But luckily, we are 11 weeks out, which is crazy. Time is flying, and I know these 11 weeks are about to fly. But I'm excited. First show of the season is literally approaching. Yeah, I'm gonna go home and take a nap. Me and Yoshi. Say hi to the camera. Don't mind me, I'm looking crazy. I just came from the gym, literally, but I wanted to, it's Monday. I think I'm about to edit. The video for this week, but I just wanted to show y'all I got in my bikini bottoms. It's not a new suit. I had my very first suit repaired. It's my favorite bikini of all time, and I didn't know much about bikini care. when I bought it, and I ended up not cleaning it right or whatever. And some of the stones fell off, but I was able to get it repaired. And then also it was too low in the front, so my goods were showing a little too much. But yeah, we got her back, and this is a unboxing. This is my favorite bikini. It's so cute. I literally have not seen anyone with anything like it since I've been competing for the past 4 years. It's a Barbie pink. Let me see. Okay. So she added some more stones in the back because, like I said, I did ruin them. And some more stones in the front. It's so cute. It's so cute. And then, move. They're so rude. She took 2 notches off, or 1 notch off on each side to make sure it sits. But I plan on wearing her this year. I don't know which show exactly, but she will be getting worn this year. I may retire her after this, like frame it or something. I've always wanted to like frame my bikini like next to my picture, but we'll see, because I think she's like stained too much, like tan, and I don't think that's gonna come out. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all